Hi, welcome back to my channel. Karina here, and if you're new, welcome. I am Karina and I love to paper craft, and today it's crafty haul. So mini crafty hauls from Hobby Lobby, Joann's Fabric, Scrapbook.com, and IKEA. Yes, I went to IKEA. Believe it or not, you can get things in IKEA that can be used in projects for either Happy Mail or crafty room decor. So let's start with IKEA, which is the smallest one. IKEA, I got these gorgeous, it's like a plasticky frame, flowers on the edges. It's just gorgeous. So I went to a house tour 2 weeks ago, and the house that I toured was owned by a fabric artist. Oh my god, it was just so gorgeous. So I saw on her wall a frame covered with fabric. So sparked an idea on doing a project using this plastic frame, and so I can use it as a hang it on my wall in my craft room. So a project will be coming up about this, so stay tuned. Then also this was only like $4.99, like $5. I'm like, how can you deal those prices, right? It's so inexpensive. This one was like 99 cents. A little frame that I'm also going to be purposing for projects. And talking about Halloween, I found also these kind of a ribbon, paper ribbon in traditional Halloween colors. This is like a bin that was in the kitchen section, and I'm like, oh, this is excellent. Can hold some of my things while I'm working on projects, so good. Now let's take a look at Scrapbook.com. So Scrapbook.com, of course, I have to have all the Maggie Holmes Willow Lane collection. I gave away one set, so this time I got the washi tape, and from Simple Stories, oh, isn't this gorgeous? I got the Dream Big unicorn that I kept seeing everybody having it. I'm like, oh, this is gorgeous. And then this glitter glue Chanel paper clips. Aren't they lovely? Oh, the unicorns. I love unicorns. And the Maggie Holmes ephemera, Willow Lane, stickers, Dream Big chipboard stickers, more stickers from Willow Lane. And I got the gift wrap book. I am like, whoo, love it. It's just gift wrapping paper. And what else we have here? I also ordered the Simple Stories stickers, Simple Stories whole collection, 12 by 12, and I'm going to put these aside. And of course, Maggie Holmes, the standouts, got that. The pads that I've been using. I have not released any video on Maggie Holmes yet, but stay tuned, you will see some. I'm just creating some things for some pen pals. And the stems, the bows, you name it, right? I love these frames, and I see some of the crafty ladies coming up with their own version. Puffy stickers, another one, because you cannot have one but two. And the flowers, more flourish stickers that I am running out. And I just adore these Willow Lane chipboard. Isn't this gorgeous? And of course the 12 by 12 pad. So I got myself a kit as well of Maggie Holmes Willow Lane, so I can start playing around. I'm currently doing some summer projects, you know, ending the summer. And now let's check Hobby Lobby. Hobby Lobby. Everybody was announcing there's a huge clearance sale. Well, guess what? The clearance never happened in my area. How lucky I am, right? I was only able to use my 40% coupon on this one, so it didn't cost me $4. So the Amazon package was like almost like $10-12 and kind of overpriced. Then I saw the tools were on sale 50% off, so they were $2.50, and I saw these on Handmade by So this is a really good tool. She enabled me to buy this one. I probably might be going to be using this with some of my Willow Lane and Halloween also projects. Got the mini butterfly that everybody keeps hauling. It was on sale too. So the good thing is that they were also on sale these yarn. Finally, they were carrying these eyelash yarn, because I never can find eyelash trim. So let's do the eyelash yarn. So this was like 50% off. So from $6.99, it was 50% off. It was $3.50. So I think that was a good price. Then I found this one on the floral section, more eyelash trim in the Maggie Holm teal. I love this color. I know I keep saying Maggie Holm, but it's just the tone of that teal color that I love. Then I have to stack up on these ones. The ribbons were also 50% off, so it was the 50% off on yarn, ribbons, and few items. So got these ones too. These are really cute trims that I can use it in my wands or cards or anything that I do not have. Then, and stashing up on traditional Halloween ribbons, got these black and orange. And I have a swap coming up for a memory Dex card. It's like a giveaway, one of the channels that I follow. So this was not on sale, so I paid $2.99, but it's a girly memory Dex card, makeup stuff, so I have to get it. Okay, so this is Hobby Lobby. Believe it or not, after all these, I only spent like with a coupon and everything, like it was almost like 30 plus taxes, like $31. So it was not that bad, right? But the stickers were not on clearance, so I was quite disappointed, right, in my area. So now I went to Joann Fabrics, and of course Joann Fabrics this weekend had 70% off. They have a huge sale. So was able to use my 70% off on regular items, and some of the items were discounted. So again, talking about yarn, this yarn was 50% off, so it cost me only like $2. So it was a really good sale. Got the same yarn but in white, for thinking of Halloween. And of course I have to have my soft pink. Almost looks like a eyelash, but I can use these to add texture on my projects. Got this pad, pumpkin spice from DCW. It was just so cute. I know, fall is around the corner, my favorite season. And got more yarn, more Halloween yarn, black, a lot of texture here. And the other pad, spooky Halloween pad, traditional colors. Then my last yarn of the day, it's this one, purple, again for Halloween themed colors. And ta-da! I was able to use my 70% discount coupon, and I only paid $12. So this one, I have all the 3 tools to work on beads, and I have, these beads were like $1.50. They were on sale. I got all these hoops, some charms, the chains where I'm going to be putting all my beads. So I will do a project share on the chunky charms so you guys can see how I did with my chunky charms. So, and this is it. So this was my Crafty haul from IKEA, Scrapbook.com, Hobby Lobby, and Joann's Fabric. So I purchased all these items, planning to use them. If you like this video, please don't forget to give the thumbs up. Share the video with any of your friends. Don't forget to click that red button and subscribe. And thanks for watching, and let me know what you like, and see you on my next video. Bye.